How are you? Welcome. Welcome. Is my voice clear? Is my voice clear? Yes. Yes, okay. So welcome to the Q&A session again. Welcome to the Q&A session. So welcome to all our customers. So let's see some questions, because many people have many questions, and when they get clarified. So there are 2-3 things before we start the session. Is what we are trying to achieve with these sessions is that we are trying to understand more deeply the principles, the teachings properly, right? So there is a lot of information which it goes out, and it takes time for us to understand all the information. So when you ask questions, we have this Q&A session for our customers every week, where if you have any questions, we can answer those questions related to the research. So please keep your discussion to the research, because we will choose to answer questions which is related to research. And welcome. And obviously, as a disclaimer, we thought that we should tell you that we are trying our best to understand the principles, give you the principles, understand how to make different strategies, how to think as an investor. So we are making our best effort, right? So please remember that anything what we say, you should not believe blindly. We have given you many books to read those books. If you have the learning, there are 2 types of investors. They just, okay, give me that stock, which will move ahead in the market. That is a short-term approach, I feel. But there is another type of investor who questions, who understands, who learns. Then it becomes a permanent lesson for you to make money. So once you understand the permanent lessons, it will help you for all your lifetime. So we will take personal questions. Okay, so we have a question from Mr. Rajendra Nandu. We don't give any solutions to new IPOs, Mr. Rajendra. That is not our forte. We only help in research analysis, in fundamental analysis about it. So once Rosary Biotech details will come, when it's listed, then we can only give you details about it. So presently we don't have much details, because we do a lot of fundamental analysis on the data. So Rajendra ji, unfortunately, we don't have any data of Rosary Biotech right now. I cannot give you. You can also come on video rather than asking questions on the chat, because this is a video chat. This is specifically for customers, where you can come on video, we can talk to each other, and everybody can listen to you.
Can I ask a question, please?
Yes, please. Who's this?
Yeah, this is Satagopan.
Yes, Mr. Satagopan. How are you?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm just going through the new selections and studying, waiting for the next, the first quarter results also. Before I proceed.
Are already started to come.
Yeah.
So already DMart and all is very scary. Did you see the results of DMart? Is very scary.
Yeah, I know.
What to do?
I made a little investment, not much.
Yeah.
Just to check how it goes. Waiting for the other results. I'll not go ahead. In another 3-4 days, some more results will come.
Yeah. Now because I heard SEBI's. I thought they will postpone it, but SEBI is very strict. They say no, all companies have to declare the results. So it is good for us.
Yeah. So in fact, it is better to wait for the quarterly results before we proceed. That's what I thought.
Yeah, that is a good strategy also.
Yeah. I wanted to request you, is it possible to put the Nifty trend meter in the laptop version also?
I'm trying. Actually, what has happened in Mr. Satagopan, this is we are not able to do it on desktop. It's a technological issue.
Because I am used to desktop every time.
I know it's not coming in the desktop. I'm already trying. We'll make more effort.
Okay, all right. So I
just wanted to. Thank you. We don't give any personal call. All Mr. Ashok Banerjee, all shares are there in my app, so we can show you. You can easily select Mr. Banerjee. I'll take you to IL Chemical. Okay, let's take. Vikash, can you open IL Chemical? So, Mr. Banerjee, I'll take you. Where can we see Nifty, Bank Nifty? Okay, we'll take your question also. Let's take IL Chemical. So we'll take one counter and then you can do it yourself. This page is very interesting. It has a lot of intelligence. We start with, go up, Vikash. So we start with, if you see, hold. So you have to understand why we have declared hold. Many people want to understand the strategy. I'm sure that why it is hold. Okay, so it is, you have to read this. Okay, it has high ROE, that means ROE is good, but negative sales or EPS growth. That means the sales and EPS is going down. Okay, and has positive free cash flow and very little or no debt, but has mutual fund holding and has very little or no promoter spread, high liquidity. Yes, so what is the problem? Just the EPS growth. You guys, can you go to the EPS growth and sales growth? Has the result come out, March 20? Yes, the results are out. So there is a degrowth of about 11%. Sales are still okay. So 11, it comes to 11%. Then we put the share into hold. You know, and the sales have also not grown in the last quarter. Despite being a chemical, what is it? It's a, go up, Vikash, once. So it is a pharma company and most of the pharma companies have done well. Let's see what is the return, 3 months return in this share. So 3 months return is phenomenal. Last 3 months, the share has gone up by 172%. So what else do you need? They have done well in the stock. So what is your question? What is your question? Mr. Ashok Banerjee, what view means? What is your view? Can you go up, Vikash? So valuations are also pretty decent. Still go down. Still it is undervalued, right? So only the sales, see, whenever the prices go up, one of the thing we have to check is the sales and profit. So right now we are seeing that the sales and profit was not that good. What is the yearly sales and profit, Vikas? Let's see. The yearly sales and was extremely good, but last quarter was not good. But hopefully June quarter will be good again. Okay, so yearly sales have been good. The second quarter they have not done much well actually. Okay, so basically September to December was also good, but January to March has not been very good. But where the prices are going up, I think so the June result should be pretty nice. What will be the resistance for now? Okay, show the ladder, because show the ladder. Resistance level, you can see go to support and resistance.
I think all-time high.
It's at all-time high. There is no resistance. It's actually moving at all-time high. So there is no resistance here. It's an open market right now. See, Mr. Manohar Babu, the results were given for March quarter. The share was declared for March quarter. And as I said that obviously most of the companies June quarter will not be very good. So we just have to be extra. This is going to be across, except the pharma companies, I think so, and some IT companies, most of the companies' results will be pretty bad in June. And that is a worrisome factor. We're already seeing results of DMart, TCS, all are hit. So the problem is COVID, Mr. Manohar Babu. The share is very good. Right? So you have to just be careful, which I've been saying, that results of mostly all 90% companies will be bad only for June. Okay, Mr. Marakan Jurale, very good question. Basically, the details, you can take a one-to-one free training with my people. So they can explain you what is the strategy, how do we buy the strategy. And I also give the Nifty trading in a 5-day seminar. That's a paid seminar. You can choose to take a 1-hour free training, Mr. Makarand, and they will explain you about the Nifty strategy. Is Pratik there? Pratik, please train Mr. Makarand about, he has some questions about the Nifty strategy. So please train him. So please call up Tamal and take a free training, Mr. Makarand. And I also do a full 5-day training program. If you're interested, you can come there, whatever you wish. Start with the free training. Tamal, call Mr. Makarand and explain him about the Nifty strategy.
Sir, I have a question,
another
sir.
Question. Yeah.
I have a question, sir.
Who's this?
Manish Mahindrakar from Megnath Investment, sir.
Yes, Manish, boliye.
Sir, I just want to understand, in banking or financial services stock,
Okay.
how do we understand the debt portion? In other areas,
Debt
we
portion
have debt to equity ratio.
उनका debt कभी मत लीजिएगा. उनका काम ही है debt लेना और debt देना.
बराबर है. तो मेरा सवाल ये है कि if I have to compare between two banks, let us say Kotak Bank and HDFC Bank.
Okay.
So how is it possible to understand कि कौन कितना ज्यादा पैसा ब्याज पे लेकर के काम कर रहा है?
कौन कितना ज्यादा पैसा, दोनों जन ब्याज में लेते हैं ना, उनका काम ही है पैसा लेना और देना.
बराबर है. तो जो बैंक बाजार से कम पैसा लेकर के काम कर रहा है और प्रॉफिट बना रहा है, तो relatively that would be a better bank than the other one, na sir?
No. You just see the ROE. So I'll show you. What was the question? I'll show you. HDFC and ROE of Gazelle, right?
So my question is ROE the only factor where we can understand?
No, you can see the loan book growth. Because have you put loan book growth in the bank strategy?
Yeah. So not exactly mentioning the loan book growth.
So what do we mention?
We say income from operation. Yeah.
Just put it in the same words so that they can understand.
Okay.
Change the words today.
Okay.
So loan book growth दिखा दो उनको.
तो दूसरे केसेस में अपने पास ROC है समझने के लिए.
हाँ, तो ROC नहीं देखते हैं, बैंकिंग में ROE देखते हैं.
We have made it interest earned, huh?
So interest earned देखिए आप.
जी.
This is the main criteria to see कि interest earned कितना है अपना business में. So there is a 16. ये किसका कंपनी है?
HDFC Bank.
HDFC Bank में 16% interest income बढ़ा है. So that is very good for the bank. Okay, let's see Kotak Bank now also together. So interest earning जब बढ़ता है, because main earning of bank is interest.
Correct.
So 16% interest earn बढ़ा है. कोटक का देखते हैं. कोटक में भी 12% बढ़ा है.
So relatively HDFC Bank is better.
हाँ, अगर आप 12 और 16 में लेंगे तो HDFC Bank is better. अब सेकंड देखते हैं ROE. ठीक है, एक एक करके देखते हैं. ठीक है
जी.
Let's see ROE of HDFC Bank. ये किसका है?
HDFC Bank.
ये HDFC है कि किसका है ये?
HDFC.
ओके, HDFC 16. कोटक का देखें. सो कोटक इज 13.
जी.
तो ROE भी देखा, इंटरेस्ट अर्न भी देखा, तो दोनों में HDFC बैंक बेटर है.
जी. ये सेम क्राइटेरिया फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज कंपनी के लिए जैसे मुथूट या मन्नापुरम के लिए भी सेम रहेगा क्या सर?
मुथूट और मन्नापुरम में भी इंटरेस्ट अर्न विकास कर दिए क्या हम लोग?
नहीं, उनका नहीं किया. एक मिनट दिखा दो.
सेल्स देख लो.
एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं बिकॉज बीच में किए थे। नहीं, इसमें हम लोग रेवेन्यू रखें।
एक ही देखिए तो इसका 27% रेवेन्यू बढ़ा है, वो एक ही है चीज।
ओके, तो यानी फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज में रेवेन्यूज देखना है।
तो रेवेन्यू इंटरेस्ट अर्न क्या होता है इसमें, कोई कंपनीज होता है तो ओनली इंटरेस्ट अर्न ही करता है, कोई का क्या रहता है, देयर आर टू एक्टिविटीज, वन इज इंटरेस्ट अर्न एंड अनदर देयर इज अनदर एक्टिविटी। सो इफ यू सी हियर सेम ही चीज है, 27% बढ़ा है इसमें।
करेक्ट, समझ गया सर।
ठीक है,
ठीक है,
good question.
Thank you.
Thank you. The next question, I had a question from somebody ऊपर में, Mr. Prish Jain. I missed this, sir. Where can we see Nifty and Bank Nifty in coming days? And why is Bank Nifty falling so deeply? So I'll show you. Yesterday हम लोग ने आज सुबह सबको profit book करा दिया था. Who are there in a Nifty strategies? Did they get a call for profit booking? Can I send a yes from people? They got a profit booking call? Yes, no?
Sir, we've got a call, sir.
Yes, so you got not to book profits.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
So now, my question.
Yes.
You have said, as you had told, the Nifty is reversing, right?
Right.
But now, will you give a call, or how do we go about it?
So basically, we want to give a call, but the back testing, it is slightly a risky call. So we have the back testing results. So I'll show you some back testing results.
Yes,
So if you take a reversal call,
okay.
there is some danger. So what I wanted, is that if I give a reversal call, is it good? So you can take a reversal call.
Okay.
So I'll show you a strategy.
Please, sir. Please.
I'll show you in Nifty. You can.
Yes,
But will I give a call or not? It depends. But I'll show you the reversal strategy also.
Okay, please, sir.
We have back tested, so we'll show you.
Yes, sir.
Can you go to Nifty trend? Oh, Yogesh bhai, you are here again. Namaste, Yogesh bhai. So all my friends, my mentor is here. Yogesh bhai again is here. Yogesh bhai, can you come on video, please? So we'll take your views also of the market. Vikash, can you put Yogesh bhai online?
Yeah. Yogesh ji can on his video.
Yes, Yogesh bhai, namaste. He's not speaking.
Hello. Hello. This is Sunil Gambhir here.
Yes, Sunilji.
I have taken I'm a new learner, so I'm still in the learning phase.
I'm also learning. Market teaches you every time.
So I had taken 5-6 strategies recently for the first time.
Okay.
Now, when what I did was I combined all the 6 strategies and see what are the companies coming in and what are they saying. Now, I do find that in each of the strategy, say if they have taken 10 companies, out of 10 companies, only 3 or 4 of them are saying buy and strong buy. As per as your comment in the screen is saying, rest of it is hold. So I am confused. Most of the strategy is saying go ahead and invest in this, but your comments in majority comes as hold.
Okay, so fantastic question. Should I answer that question? I'll answer the Sunilji. I'll answer one wonderful question. Just a minute. First, I'll answer that question of somebody who asked the question about Nifty.
Trend, sir.
What was your question, sir, about Nifty?
So now you have given a reversal. But
yeah, reversal. So I'll just show you how you can pay a reversal.
Okay.
Because can you show the website, because it will be easier. So if you see yesterday, it came to sell bias. I don't know if you check the meter.
Yes,
it
sir,
came to sell bias, right?
Yes.
So that was another reason. And another reason I'll show you.
Okay.
When do we take a buy call? And this will also help you, Mr. Makarand. So basically on 25th June, if you see, the pro position was The pro position was 18,000, right? So we gave a buy call. It became 1,08,000. So there was a buy of 90,000.
Correct, sir. Correct.
Right? So we gave a buy call on second.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Correct?
Yes.
Now if you see, then the high was 88,000. Can you see 88,000?
Yes. Yes. So 7.
From 88,000, yesterday it became minus 68,000.
Yeah. Fine. Fine.
So if you see how much they have sold, 88 minus 68.
1.4 lakhs.
1.4 lakhs. So 1.4 lakhs, that means now they and if you check from start, from the clearing,
Okay.
18,000 to 68 is also another 86,000.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So whenever they buy from the clearing 80,000 or from the clearing, whenever the net position becomes 80,000 sell,
Okay.
so then also it becomes a sell call.
Yes, sir. But now the question is,
Yes.
now according to your parameters,
Right.
it has reached those parameters. See, if Nifty, if FII and Pro are more than minus 1.1 lakh, it's a sell call, correct?
I'm talking of pro right now.
No, I mean both also.
Yes.
Here, FII and Pro also, it is minus 1.25 lakhs.
Correct, correct, correct.
So even that parameter has reached, right?
That also reached. Yeah, that is why we book profits for everyone.
Yes. Now we have closed the buy call.
Yes.
Right? And it is opening up for a sell call.
Actually, we should have taken a sell call today.
Okay.
But what happens is giving a booking profit and a sell call.
Okay.
It is, so at least we book profits on the thing.
Fine. That is understood.
And now what we do, what we are trying to train people is that from 18,000 to about 86,000, sell call can also be taken. So the right call was we should have sold 11,000 call and bought 11,200 call in the morning.
No. I mean, since there was no confirmation, I thought let me have a word with you and then take a decision.
Yeah. So this was it.
Okay.
So this is how you can take a call whenever you see that 80,000 thing from clearing. But make sure you calculate from 25th of June. That is the key. Open.
Okay.
That is why we see open. You always calculate from 18 to 68. Okay, 18 to 68.
Plus today evening we'll also know what is happening and then we can.
Yeah. Today evening I think so should go to another 1 lakh minus. I think so.
So then the sell call is confirmed then.
Then the sell call will be very, very highly confirmed. But there is another challenge.
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir. That's what I want to know.
I'll tell you. I'll show you the Nifty trend meter.
Okay. Oh, it can go. We can swing to buy also.
Because it is oversold in 2 days. Now, because if you see above 2.25, it becomes oversold already.
Now we have to pray it doesn't go oversold.
so it's not. We have tried to make it so easy, but see, we are trying to master something. We are trying to master a Nifty contract.
Okay, fine, sir. Sir,
so it takes time, but we are quite near it. But you cannot be 100% right all the time.
Sir, whatever it is, the market will decide which way it is going. You can say there's a call, but then it can go either way.
But at least we thought we should get it exit and we booked good profit. We made that transaction at 50 rupees and we exited today at 20 rupees. So it was a good 30 rupees we made.
Yeah,
last 10 days.
No, but then if you give an indication that a sell call can be thought about, then we take the risk.
The history we are trying. Actually, what is happening is I don't give a call unless I have at least 5 years of data testing.
Okay.
But so now I know it's a sell call actually. But what happened is I need more hardcore data.
Okay.
Because actually this kind of call we checked, it has happened only 4 times in 5 years. Can you imagine?
What today's situation?
Today's situation has happened only 4 times in the last 53 clearings.
That is a multi call in 1 month.
Yeah, so it is 4 times in 5 years.
Okay.
That means this kind of situation happens only once a year. So we have very little understanding, but because it was 80,000, we were confident that the market will go down.
So at least you said let them book the profit.
Yeah, so at least we put them book profits. That's it.
Okay. Now today, will your calculation say sell?
No, it is sell. As I said, it is already sell yesterday only.
Okay.
But we don't have historical data
Okay.
to give a public call. Please understand, we have to be responsible to our customers.
Fine.
I don't have enough data to give a sure shot call, but I gave a call to Yogesh Bhai in the morning
Oh.
because he understands what I'm talking about. He can manage the position.
No, but that even I could have done. You didn't give me a hint.
Okay, let's go to, so once we know more, that is I'm training you today that by seeing this, you can also take a call.
Now, okay. See, unless the cell the meter comes to the cell, you would not give a call.
No, actually, I don't have data to give you. I have only 4 instances. So I only gave a call to Yogesh Bhai. I can give a personal message only for Yogesh Bhai. I did not give to anyone.
Thank you. I got
everybody
it.
book
Yes.
profit.
I got that, and I did act upon it also. Yeah.
Yeah. So you have to understand my challenge. If I have thousands of customers now, and
Sir,
they are
now-
depending on my call, I have to be
now-
very responsible.
Sir, now my request is, if you have anything, you can also give me a call, sir. You can tell
Okay.
Prabhakar, sir.
Okay, Prabhakar. Okay, we'll do
thank
that.
you.
We'll do that.
Please put me on the reminder list.
Okay.
Nifty. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, I'm see this Nifty trend, whatever you have nailed it on the head, sir. That strategy.
No, we have not nailed it, sir,
Oh,
because
very good, sir. Very close. You're very close.
very close. Yeah, very close. Actually, you cannot become God. We have to be realizing.
No,
We will be right, we will be wrong, but at least there is some there is some data backup. It is not a technical call. There is a data backup. Because if the F2s are selling and the pro is selling, you have to respect it.
Natural. I mean, at least gives you the direction.
Yeah,
what
it
they are
gives
doing.
direction. That is no
The,
doubt.
the probability becomes very high.
Yeah, probability. That's the right word. The probability
yes,
of
that's
making
what-
money becomes very high.
Yes, sir. It's really it's a best strategy, sir. Everybody, yes, sir. Very good, sir. Very good, sir.
Thank you again. Thank you.
Excuse
Yes,
me.
Suresh bhai,
Excuse me.
any-
Yes.
Could we see how the strategy actually unfolded? The actual results of the strategy.
Actual results, can you ask again, sir?
What I was asking is, could you show how the numbers played out on the index call?
Okay,
index,
I'll show you how we
this
tested
month?
the strategy. Okay. Vikash, can you open the Excel?
Yes.
So I'll show you how did the strategy unfold in 4-5 years. So it's a 4-5 year effort actually. So first is actually we had to definitely make a full software of the data of NSE. So that was a huge, humongous task. And then we had to use artificial intelligence softwares so that we put the data and then we test the data. Vikash, can you please open the Excel sheet where we make the changes of Nifty? Arnab
Yes.
file.
Yeah.
I hope this will be okay, right? People will not mind, right, about the Nifty. I hope others who are not in Nifty, but it is a great strategy, sir. It's
Sir,
a
I
good
am
thing to
watching.
learn.
Sir, I am watching. It is interesting.
So this is the file which you actually see on the app. You don't see this file because this file is very huge. It has many, many points. If I make any changes here, now if you see, if I take a position, Vikash, can you show the exit one, yesterday's file?
Yesterday's file.
Yesterday file which we did in the evening.
Okay, that Ananda has. So Ananda is there. I'm making him his panelist.
Tell him to send you the file, no? It's faster. Okay,
Yeah.
we'll show the file. See, sir, we are showing here. Okay, Vikash, mark here. Mark Vikash, 11,731 points. 53. We did research on 53 clearings. Positive months 43. And then hit ratio 81. This is what is shown in the app. So now I'll change these figures on the pro change. I'll change these figures. I'll only change the pro. Okay. I'll make the Pro to 40,000. So if I do 40,000 contract, what happens to my strategy? So I lose about, if you see on the right side, I lost 2,000 points and my hit ratio also became 74%. Now I'll further do, this is all actually this is not an Excel sheet, it's an artificial intelligence software which is there in the entire data of 5 years of Nifty, everyday data. Can you just scroll through the data, Vikas, so you can see the data of 5 years. So there is a lot of data. This is a huge data. Can you see the data which keeps on going? Okay. So then we test. Now let's go back to the main strategy. Now if I put 20,000, see what happens. The return further goes down to 8,000. Now if I buy position, it's before 70,000, I take a buy at 20,000 contracts. Okay, so it is still 8,600. So what we do is we keep on testing which is the most right figure, which will give me the right action. And now see the hit ratio has become 65. So the ratio keeps going down. So what we did was in many years, we started with 50%, 60%. Then we kept on working on the software. We came down to 65. Then we came down to a software which came to 81%. And then we made that bull bear strategy, which gives us about 96%. So it is about a 5-year work which we did on this strategy. So most of our strategies, we have done actually testing for 5 years. Every strategy goes through 5-year testing in my app, minimum. And we have the data to test everything. Even the fundamental strategy, like the valuation strategy, where you buy very good stocks at very low prices, that is also very well tested. Okay, this will give you some idea how did it come out, who was this, who asked this question.
Yes, but I just wanted to see the actual results of your last call, the last call which you made. How much was the profit made? I think that's available on the app for the subscribers.
So the last call was a loss. What happened was, last call was a loss. So what happened was we were making profits. We gave a call at 51, bear spread, and we did not give an exit call. So many of the customers told me that you should have given an exit call. So this time we made sure we gave an exit call to everyone. So we backtested it that if any data changes in the middle of the month, we should have given an exit call. Does that answer your question?
Right. So which is the call which you gave?
Your voice is breaking.
Which you gave yesterday, so your customers could exit today.
Sorry, your voice was breaking. Can you please speak again?
So I'll repeat. So
Yes.
that was the call you gave based on yesterday evening numbers. So your clients could exit it this morning.
Yes. Last month, okay. You were saying that this call, how did I give an exit call?
Yes, I mean, how much profit was made for this month's strategy?
So basically, we gave a call in 58. Like you can see, about 297 points.
Right. Okay.
It's there in the app. How much was made?
Right.
And in the bull bear spread, we made about 30 rupees in the options contract.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes, there was a question from
Sunil Gambhir.
Yes, Sunilji. Yeah, your question was that if there are many stock which is supposed to be hold in the app, so how come those stocks are in the strategy, right? Was that your question?
That's right.
Okay, now you have to understand that I have the stock which I give, because that is a public opinion. So I make sure that I follow all the 5 things in the strategy when I give a buy. You've done my program, Sunilji, right?
Hanji.
Right. So Sunilji, when I give a buy, I make sure that those calls are because you can actually see those stocks. So I make sure when I see a buy, I'm only giving buy to those stocks which is very, very safe. Do you understand? Very, very safe.
Okay.
Okay. But when we test strategies, maybe that share is in hold, but does not mean that share is bad, because it is not a sell stock.
Okay.
But it has some, maybe out of the 5 parameters, it has 2 or 3 parameters, which is very good.
Okay.
Like maybe it is undervalued, or maybe one of the thing is very good. So when that happens, that strategy gives those calls also.
Okay. Okay.
Do you understand? When I say buy and strong buy, then anybody who's not bought my strategy can go in the app. I don't want them to invest in any wrong stock.
Right. Right.
So I make sure that I follow all the 5 things which I teach in the class, which is in the stock.
Right.
So those become very safe stock, and those are only 60 stocks there. If you see my buy and buy, there's I think it's only 100 or 120 stock, which is buy and strong buy.
Okay.
But there are a lot of hold stocks which will turn into buy.
Okay. Okay.
So those strategies are also added in the strategy, that those stocks are also very good because they have the capability of doing very well.
Okay. So for a novice, what is the advice? Like if you have 5 strategy, do you pick up all buys and strong buys and just invest into that, or stay with the strategy only?
Whenever you buy the strategy, you follow the whole strategy, invest equal money in each strategy.
Okay. Okay.
So that is the right way. Don't choose from there, because it is already chosen for you. Those strategies are already chosen for you.
Okay. Okay.
So if you do further analysis on it, then I think so it will be too much analysis.
Got it. Okay.
Okay. Does that answer your question, Sunilji?
Yeah, it does.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Mr. Sunil Khilwani, can you come online, Mr. Sunilji? It will be a request, or if we can add price greater than 50 SMA as filters for screening, it will make screening complete. Sir, you can also already do this, Vikash. They can do this, right, in the chat, in the charts, Vikash.
In the chart, I think they can do. Yeah, in the chart it's
You can
possible.
do this on the chart yourself, Mr.
But
Sunil Khilwani.
he's asking screener.
In the screener, giving will be, actually I have tested it, Mr. Sunil, and I feel that technicals have a very little role to play to make money.
No, sir, I'm just asking for the basic SMA, like 200 SMA is the crucial one. So if it's possible, then we can add it.
It is possible. It is very easy for me. Yes. I have purposely not given. I only give those things which has personally benefited me in my experience of trading.
Okay. So,
but
sir, what I have experienced in this downturn is like we can avoid the stocks which are below the 200 SMA. So it's the basic criteria actually. So if possible, you can add it.
Okay, let me see. Okay, only one I'll add then. We have 200 SMA.
yeah, definitely.
Okay.
That
okay.
will help, sir. Yeah.
Okay, I'll add it for you. Okay.
Thank you.
We'll add it for you.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, any next question? Anybody else?
Sir, Parag here.
Yes, Paragji.
Actually, sir, if we talk about relative valuation within a sector,
okay.
Now, let's say banking, for example.
Okay.
So if you want to check the top 3, which are good at that point of time, let's say HDFC Bank, whatever are the financials, we take as 100 as a base. Correct?
Can you open one company and you can ask question? Can you?
Yeah, surely.
Which company should I open? Please tell me.
Say HDFC Bank.
Okay, HDFC. Vikash, open HDFC Bank. Just for your information, for everyone, be very careful with Reliance for next 2 days. Just be careful because of if by chance they give a negative result for June quarter, we might see at least 10%, 20% Reliance going. So be very careful, because I am hearing that most of the investors are heavily bullish on Reliance. So just be careful. And please don't, this is just my idea. Please don't, hold me responsible. But if you see a bad result, then be quick in exiting. That's it. If you don't see a bad result, then it's fine. Yes, we have HDFC Bank. Please tell me.
Yeah, so let's say we are taking those 5 or 6 parameters based on which a stock comes into the buy list, right?
Right.
Now, within the same sector, we have, let's say, another 2 stock, Kotak Bank or Axis Bank, for example.
Okay.
Now, let's say ROE of HDFC Bank is, let's say, 20.
Okay.
So that becomes 100 for HDFC Bank as a base.
Okay.
And for Axis Bank and Kotak, whether they are superior or below that, can we do that kind of a comparison? Then when we can know that out of the 3 lots, this one is a superior one to get into.
That you can do it now. You have done my program, right?
Yeah. But then what happens is we have to check one parameter, then go to another stock, then
so
go
basically, you say if you can compare 3 stocks in one place.
Yeah, that's right. In the same sector.
Okay. I already have it. I already have it in mutual fund. Vikas, can you show them mutual fund? Yes, Mr. Sushil Patwari, you have to invest equal amount in all the shares. That's correct. So we already know any mutual fund screen. Yeah. Search and compare scheme. Just check. If I give you like this.
Perfect, sir. Perfect.
Okay. This is very easy. I'll make it because just keep a note. Stock compare schemes.
Yeah. And one more thing, sir, you can do is.
Sure.
First is select the sector.
Okay.
So we don't go wrong. In the same sector only we can compare.
So
right?
you just select these 3 stocks. Now you know which 3 stocks.
Okay. Sure. Perfect.
I'll do it. It is there for mutual fund. I'll add it for stocks also.
Great, sir. Great. Thank you.
Very easy. We'll do it for you.
Thank you.
Okay. Anybody else has a question? Financial stocks. Yes, it is on profit booking. Huge profit booking. Please tell me on Yes Bank. Yes Bank, if you see my app, Mr. Venkateswaran, I think so it's a sell in my app. So just follow my app. Next question from where can it all be seen in near future for FDC and IGL? What is your question? I did not get your question, Mr. Minal Kanti Datta. What is your question?
Whether it will go high or down, sir.
You have to select those 5 things. If I knew what will go down and what will go up, I would not be teaching you. Number 1. Number thing, you have to know the 5 things which makes the stock prices go up. The probability of the stocks going up is when it has sales growth, profit growth, high ROE, free cash flow, and low debt. If you follow these 5 principles, then probability is that your stocks will go up in the long run. Short term, there is no fundamental analysis.
So both are strong buy recommended.
So then both will go up. That's it.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Next question, please.
Nifty
Praveen. Yes, please. Who is asking?
I was Vijay here, sir.
Yes, Vijay ji. Namaste. Kaise hain?
Namaste. How are you, sir?
Very good. Very good. Aap boliye.
I always take time to digest and not take immediate action on things which I have learned.
Okay.
You know, especially with the volatile market as it is.
Okay.
So Nifty trend जो मैंने लिया है सर,
हाँ.
उसमें अभी आपका क्या कॉल होएगा? I mean now it is a trend of going down. Nifty सेल कॉल आया है ना अभी निफ्टी का?
सेल नहीं आया अभी, प्रॉफिट बुकिंग कॉल दिया है, सेल कॉल मैंने दिया ही नहीं अभी तक.
अच्छा, सेल कॉल नहीं दिया है.
सेल कॉल नहीं दिया है बिकॉज सेल कॉल का मैं बता रहा हूँ, मेरे पास जो आज जो डेटा आया वो बोल रहा है सेल होना चाहिए.
बराबर.
तो मैंने 53 क्लियरिंग्स का डेटा स्टडी किया, मुझे सिर्फ 4 ओकेजन मिला जहां पर ऐसा सिचुएशन आया था
लास्ट 5 इयर्स में, यू वर सेइंग
5 साल में. तो और चारों बार में पैसा बना है सेल में.
ओके.
लेकिन 4 बार वाज अ वेरी लो काउंटर, तो मैंने
वेरी लो काउंट फॉर 53 यार
53, तो मैंने हिम्मत करके दिया नहीं,
बराबर।
बट मुझे अब लग रहा है कि मुझे दे देना चाहिए था।
कोई बात नहीं, अभी
अपॉर्चुनिटी मिस हो गया। अब वो 7 में हम लोग कॉल देते तो 720 730 में देते, आप 620 में भी 100 ऐसे देखे तो 100 रुपया गिरा है। आज का डेटा देखते हैं, लेकिन कॉल ले सकते हैं, मतलब बट थोड़ा रिस्की है, लेकिन ले सकते हैं। सो व्हाट सेल आई विल टेल यू इज, अगेन विजय जी 11,000 का कॉल बेचिए एंड 11,200 का कॉल खरीदिए।
जस्ट लेट मी राइट इट, 11,000 का
कॉल बेचिए,
कॉल सेल कॉल,
हाँ 11,200 का कॉल खरीदिए,
11,200 का कॉल खरीदिए, बाय कॉल, हाँ 11,200,
हाँ 11,200, हाँ 11,000 का कॉल बेचिए, 11,200 खरीदिए।
सर ये समझने में ही थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है।
तो देखिए थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, ऑप्शन इतना जल्दी नहीं सीखते हैं, टाइम लगेगा।
नहीं, मैं उसका स्टडी कर रहा हूँ, आपका नोट्स भी।
हाँ
फिर भी एट टाइम्स आई रियलाइज, जैसे समझ में आया, बाद में वापस आप जो भी ट्रेन दिया अभी, जो कॉल दिया है, तो थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो रहा है। ठीक है, इट डजंट मैटर, इट टेक्स टाइम।
इट टेक्स टाइम सर, ये थोड़ा सा है, ऑप्शन थोड़ा टाइम लगता है,
बट थोड़ा ट्रेंड में इंटरेस्टेड हूँ, और वैसे जब भी होता है ना तो
आपने प्रॉफिट बुक कर लिया था ना विजय जी, प्रॉफिट बुक कर लिया था ना?
नहीं, मैंने तो कॉल लिया ही नहीं था पहले, क्योंकि मेरे को समझा नहीं था कुछ।
ओहो, तो अच्छा पैसा बना था 10-12 दिन में।
हाँ बराबर है, बराबर है।
चलिए कोई बात नहीं, अभी
कोई बात,
अब ये सेल वाला कॉल आया है, ये ले सकते हैं। अभी क्या मैं फिर रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, देखिए मेरे पास एक 4 इंस्टेंस था, चारों इंस्टेंस से पैसा बना,
बराबर है, आई अंडरस्टैंड।
लेकिन ये मेरे पास नहीं है, तो मैं ये प्लीज डोंट हेल्ड मी रिस्पॉन्सिबल, ये आप अपने समझ के लीजिएगा।
समझ में, रिस्क है, वही तो रिस्क है, वही नोबडी कैन प्ले नाउ।
सो दैट मैं क्लियर कर दूं। संतोष यू, कैन यू कम ऑन लाइन प्लीज? संतोष जी, कैन यू प्लीज कम ऑन लाइन? Santosh ji was asking a question, he's not coming online. Can you? Yes, Praveen ji.
Hello.
Yes, please.
What is your opinion about the current result of DMart?
रिजल्ट तो खराब आया ही है सर, बट ये रिजल्ट कंपनी के कारण नहीं आया, ध्यान करिएगा।
ये कोविड सिचुएशन,
ये कोविड सिचुएशन है। ऐसा रिजल्ट 80 का जो 1500 कंपनी है, 1400 कंपनी का यही रिजल्ट आने वाला है।
ओके 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 ओके।
ये डीमार्ट खराब नहीं हुआ है ये।
वो तो बात सही है।
बट ये सिचुएशन सबका ऐसा ही होने वाला है सर।
हाँ ओके ओके ओके। तो बाय बने रहना अच्छा है।
हाँ, मेरे को नहीं लगता है सर, वो अभी कोई कंपनी में कोई खराबी नहीं आएगी ना।
ओके 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 ओके।
तो कोविड के कारण ऐसा रिजल्ट है। तो आप भी बिजनेस कर रहे हो, हम भी बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, सबको मालूम है लास्ट 3 महीना में कुछ हुआ नहीं है, सबका यही हालत है।
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, Santosh, you wanted to speak about what does it mean to investors? मैं फिर से क्लियर कर रहा हूँ संतोष जी, आप सेल कॉल ले सकते हैं, बट मेरे पास बैक टेस्टिंग नहीं है, बस that is what I'm trying to say. So you have to do it on your own risk. I cannot give a public call in the app, but I'm still giving a call on this, but at your own risk.
Sir, I have.
Shailesh, can I talk?
Who's this?
Sir, I'm Prabhakar. I have a question on the Nifty trend.
Sorry, who's this, please?
Prabhakar, sir.
Prabhakar ji, हाँ बोलिए.
Sir, yesterday, today you suggested sell call 11,000 and buy call 11,200.
Right.
But now, tomorrow, if I'm taking it, the spot will be lower. Correct? Do I go keep the 300 points distance?
Can you again ask the question, sir? Sorry.
Your basic advice was, from the spot, you take 300 points above.
Yeah, so it is 620. So that is a 300 points above. It is 620, 625 only.
Okay, it will be around 400 points then, no, sir?
350, na, sir, exact cannot be there, sir.
Okay.
And if you go by, because the call came when it was 720 in the morning, so the right call will be 11,000 and 11,200.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Because if you take the call from today, so the chances of losing money will be pretty negligible if you take this call till 30th July.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Can you put Praveenji? Yes, you can come online, Praveenji.
Yes, Shaileshji, good evening.
Who's this?
This is Praveen.
Yes, Praveenji, boliye.
Shaileshji, my question to you is a stock specific question, plus at the same time it is related to the value stock app as well.
Okay.
Now I had invested a long time back into two companies, RHFL and DHFL.
Okay.
That is Reliance Home Finance and Diwan Housing Finance.
Right.
Now I'm under a loss of around 200% in these stocks.
Yeah.
Now my question to you is that your value stock app says sell for both these stocks.
Yeah.
Do I sell at this point of time where I'm making a more than 200% loss, or do I wait? Like, for example, is there something in your value stock app where you can tell whether this company itself is going to close down, because they are embroiled in a lot of controversies with the
That is why my app shows sell.
Yes.
That is why my app shows sell. So no, we only tell you what fundamentals tell you. Okay, if the fundamentals change, like for example, I have a stock which is buy today.
Okay.
And tomorrow after the quarterly results, it goes into sell. You should immediately sell. So one of the benefit as a customer which you will have with my app is, today this stock is buy, and now this app is recommending to go for sell. What is wrong in the company? Then you check, oh, the company's fundamentals have changed. So if you take the call, so first time when Yes Bank changed, we sold Yes Bank at 189 rupees.
Okay.
So you have to calculate. That is why the learning is very important, that good companies, when it changes the first time, the fundamental changes, you have to go to sell that time. Now, another reality I want to mark, that today all companies will be bad because of COVID. So we cannot take very high sell call decisions today.
Yeah, because in my respect, basically this decision was done a long time back, almost 3 years ago.
Yeah,
and I held on to the stock for no reason, and it went on going down. So at this point, it's like a pinch for me to take that kind of a look.
Sir, I agree. It is going to be very hard to, and the prices are also so low. This is the exit strategy for Yes Bank. It is ready for me to show you. Now you see, first time it gave a negative, it was growing at 30%.
Okay.
First time the result came on 26th October 2018. And from 30% growth, it came to 6% negative. And that price was 180. Second time the result came after 3 months on 25th January. Again, it was 8%. The price was 219. Third time, it went down to 227%. Still the price was 168. So we got an opportunity for 9 months to exit Yes Bank. But people who don't understand this simple philosophy or EPS sales, they don't know when to exit. That is why I highly recommend that please do my 5-day program where you understand that any degrowth is a sell, which is also mentioned in the first page of our app. I'll show you. I'll show you also with the first page, we tell people when to exit. So you see quarterly degrowth in sales and EPS. So whenever there is a huge degrowth, now this time I will not take the degrowth But my app will take it because it has to run according to the fundamentals. So there is a problem is whenever there is a huge degrowth in sales and EPS, that is the first warning sign for a company. Okay, does that answer your question?
Yes, just one more point to add. Now, in my case, for these two specific stocks, is there anywhere where I can look at a case for just as how Yes Bank it happened, and Yes Bank was, I believe, very lucky where the other banks, especially SBI, Kotak, all came together to acquire stake and to see that the bank does not fall completely. Unfortunately, the same has not happened in DHL and RHFL. Is there a possibility where anywhere I can look for this kind of clues where I would know that?
These are all inside clues which only the company knows.
Okay.
Whenever it will become public, it will become public. You can't know anything all these things.
Okay.
You have to be a good friend to the chairman or the CEO of the company.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Sushil Patwari ji has a question. Can you suggest alternate to Avanti as I could not invest in the script? Why could not you invest, Mr. Sushil? Can you come online?
This week, hello.
Yes, Sushil ji.
This week, I explained you last time also. You.
अच्छा.
You
ठीक है ना, तो उसको बैलेंस को डिवाइड कर लीजिए, no problem.
अच्छा, उसमें एक कम रह जाएगा फिर वो.
हाँ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
अच्छा, ठीक
है ना. Okay. Anybody else has a question? No questions? Q&A?
सर अभी वो रिजल्ट के वजह से आपने बोला है कि 31 अगस्त के बाद ही रिवाइज पोर्टफोलियो will be announced, no, instead of 6 July. The SEBI has given time up to further extension for
20th March. For 20th March.
Yeah.
March.
Right. Yes, so that is extended. Now the portfolio will be announced.
31st July, but हम लोग अभी चेक किए थे. मेरे को लगता नहीं ज्यादा स्क्रिप्ट चेंजेस कुछ होगा. हम लोग ने चेक कर लिया है.
तो आपने अनाउंस किया.
Maybe 1 or 2. अभी हम लोग नहीं करें क्योंकि रिजल्ट सबके आए नहीं है ना.
हाँ, तो क्या नहीं.
31st जुलाई को अनाउंस कर देंगे कि होगा कि नहीं होगा.
ठीक है.
HDFC Life. You can see on my app, Mr. Vijit, you're a customer. So easy. Whatever my app says, that is my view. Because those are programmed by me only. Can you show what HDFC Life is, Vikash? We don't put any stop loss, Mr. Praveen, because these are all tried and tested stocks, very solid stocks. We don't put any unless the one thing what you can, I'll train everybody, whoever has a strategy. Let's do HDFC Live and then we'll talk. HDFC Live is hold right now, and it's a good company because in some strategies HDFC Life has come, but it's a good company. Please remember, if you see the market cap, it's a 1,19,000 crore company. It's a very large company. You know the brand HDFC, so it is hold, but it's a good stock. So it's a good stock. Please remember. Okay, now let's take the question of Mr. Praveen Chachad. Can you come online, Mr. Praveen Chachad?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening, Praveen ji. Your question is, should we put a stop loss, right?
Yes.
So we don't have a stop loss, but one thing which I recommend to all the clients here, esteemed clients, that whenever the fundamental changes, then we can think of exiting. But अभी तो fundamental जो change हो रहा है वो भी COVID के कारण हो रहा है. So I think so. Just keep on holding what is written. That's it. That is what I will say.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Your app shows the filter. Karan, what is your question? Did not get it.
So the stock screener is showing the ROE and the other ratios as at 31st March.
Yeah.
30th June results are out for most of the companies.
No, no,
When will
only,
the 30th June?
5 companies' results are out, 5 or 10.
Okay, so in due course it will be updated to 30th
Okay,
June.
now ROE is only updated every 6 months because they don't disclose the balance sheet every quarter. Current.
Oh, right. Okay.
ROE and debt flow is only updated every 6 months because they don't update the data. They don't make it public.
Right. So the next update, the next date filter will be 30th June for the quarterly. Quarterly
Results, the last date to come out is 15th of August. If the government doesn't extend, after
Right.
15th of August, it will show.
Right. Okay. Okay. And I had one more suggestion on the Nifty strategy.
Okay.
The settlement date. Could you show it in a different color so we know it is the settlement date? The 25th of June, 30th of July. Could you show the settlement dates with a different color?
1 second, I'll open it. Please tell me. I'll open it for you. Vikash, open the strategy. Tell me which color you want to change. Sorry, friends, I just want to take one feedback. So let's see what he's saying. It's not a research question, but he wants something, we can do it. Karanji, can you just call my person? My person will call you. Vikash, just call Karanji and see what he wants. That's not a research question. So we'll just make changes in the app for him. Karanji, my person will call you.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Because it is not a research question, so I'm not taking it here. There's a small technical thing to color change. We'll do it. No problem. Vikash, just call up Karanji after the session. Yes. Any next question, please? Please comment your view. My view is already there. It's a sell. Mr. Sadanand, HDFC is down in last week. Shows hold in your app. I've made some good investment. Should I hold? You hold definitely. See, markets will go down, Anupji, because of the Nifty scenario. So there are two things, please understand. One is the fundamental of the stocks and one is Nifty trend. So whenever the Nifty trend is in a sell, those 10-15 days, you should not buy any stocks. Because sometimes when there is a Nifty sell trend, sometimes it goes very fast. Anupji, can you please come online?
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Anupji,
can you hear me?
Is it Anupji?
Yeah, sir. Can you hear me?
Anupji, there are two things. One is your stock investments.
Yeah.
Don't compare your stock investment. When the Nifty will go down, all shares will go down, mostly.
Because I have seen HDFC, I don't know why, but it was very down in compared to other stocks. It went down, suddenly it went down 5% in 2 days. So I couldn't analyze why was this so particular.
See the market, that is why if you see when we calculate Nifty trend, Nifty and Bank Nifty contracts are together.
Okay.
Please understand that the trend which we get from the Nifty contract, it also has Bank Nifty contract into it. Okay. So whenever there is a Nifty sell trend, the stocks will go down.
But as in HDFC is a good stock. I don't need to worry, right? Because
sorry, could not hear you. Sorry?
As in HDFC is a very strong counter. So I think in the coming time, it will bounce back, of course, I think.
Yeah. Whenever, see, please don't, this short term, if you see short term movements, you will always be unhappy in the stock market.
I understand.
You always have to invest for minimum 6 months, 1 year, 2 years criteria. Then you are better in your mind. Don't see short term investments. Huh? Nifty will go down, the stocks will go down. Nifty will go up, the stocks will go up.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next question. Anybody has the next question? Yogesh, any advice? Yogesh bhai, if you can come online, any advice for us? Your experience?
No, you're doing so well, and I really admire your patience, and I have become your follower, and the way you are teaching, it's something great. And I must tell everybody that online that what you have here is a Aladdin lamp. You just follow him, and there'll be money coming in. So just quietly follow him. That's all.
Thank you, Yogesh bhai. Thank you. You're always seeing me and always appreciating me.
Shailesh, this is Sunil Gambhir here. When are you planning to hold the Nifty program, the
I'm
structured
driving just
program?
now, so but I'm listening to you.
Sorry?
This is Sunil Gambhir here. I was just saying, when are you planning to hold a Nifty program?
Hello?
Nifty program?
Hello?
Yes, Yogesh bhai. Yes, Yogesh bhai.
Hello?
There are two people speaking. Hello, who's saying hello? Sorry, Sunil ji, I'll answer your question. Sunil ji, the Nifty, I am not doing it. I do the Nifty program with my 5 days only together.
Okay.
I don't do a separate Nifty program.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, any else questions? Any, or should we close for the day? It's already 5:40. Any other questions? In case of derivative, do we have to continue to hold the stock now that Nifty strategy says sell? Actually, we have tested it. Actually, Nifty strategy says sell. Sometimes you can exit, Mr. Abraham. But my strategy sales keeps it for a month. So some people actually with Nifty strategy, they also sell. It happens like that. Some people are very smart. So with my strategy, they also add another strategy and they make it more better. So you can do that, Mr. Abraham. Thank you.
Mr. Shailesh, I have one more question.
Yes, please.
So I subscribed to a couple of strategies yesterday.
Okay.
I did not buy the stocks today because the Nifty trend was on a sell bias.
Oh, fantastic. Very well done. Very well done. Very well done.
So is that okay, or I should have bought it?
No, absolutely okay. Whenever Nifty goes, wait for 10 days and then to invest maybe between when slightly Nifty gets better. So at least, try to avoid and wait for Nifty to get better and then invest. Very good done.
Right. So what you had taught us in the course to focus on the pro, and I looked at that and also your that meter, the gauge, which said sell. I said there's no point to rush into buy. Let the contracts become a positive 70,000 and then we could consider buying.
Very good. Well done. Well done.
Thank you.
That is the right way. This is slightly timing the market with Nifty. We will buy the stocks, but you will see that you will be able to buy much lower. Fantastic. Who is this? Who is this talking?
Actually, I'm Karan's father. I've also subscribed just like him. So we both together.
Very good. Well done. It is very, very, very good decision. So what Karanji's father has done is, this is what I would recommend to everyone. This is why a good knowledge of Nifty will help you. We will buy the stock, but we will just maybe wait for 10-15 days because Nifty is on a big sell trend. And sometimes when Nifty is in a big sell trend, Nifty might go up to 10,000, 9,500. And then most of the stocks like HDFC, most of the stocks, good stocks, will also be available at 10-15% down. So if you have that combination, it's very good. I'm very thankful to you, sir, for bringing this out. Very good.
Welcome.
So these are good things which we teach in the 5-day course so that you can understand these things more deeply. It takes time. So that's one thing which you can do.
Sir, this insight was very good learning.
It was a good learning, Vijay bhai, right?
Yes, very good learning.
Yes, so just wait for some few days and then invest in stocks.
Yeah.
Yes. Anybody else has questions? Anybody else? Any questions? Is this a question and answer session good for customers? Does it help? Because we learn from each other. Is it nice? Can we get a yes?
Absolutely.
Yes. Very nice.
Absolutely yes.
Because these question answers really help us to understand the different questions. Sometimes we don't want to ask a question, but with other questions, we learn a lot. So everybody was telling me that do a lot of question and answers, which we will get more clearer.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll continue with the question and answers every Tuesday for all paid customers from 4:30 to 5:30. So it will really help, and then you can ask as much questions you have.
Great.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Namaste to everyone. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Yogesh Bhai,
Thank you,
for your
sir.
presence. Thank you.